Retractable extension cords keep workspaces organized, improve safety, prevent tangling, and provide flexible, convenient power access in offices and workshops. My today's video is about top 5 best retractable extension cord that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vever Retractable Extension Cord. The Vever Retractable Extension Cord Reel delivers a rugged, professional-grade power solution designed for demanding environments. Its heavy-duty 45 feet 12 AWG/3C stow cable stands out for exceptional durability, resisting water, oil, extreme temperatures, and harsh conditions while maintaining flexibility. The automatic retractable system operates smoothly without tangles, and the reliable ratchet locking mechanism allows precise length control for convenience during use. Installation is effortless thanks to the 180-degree swivel mounting bracket, enabling flexible positioning on walls or ceilings. Safety is well addressed with a built-in 15A circuit breaker and a lighted triple outlet, making it practical even in low-light conditions while powering multiple tools. Ideal for garages, workshops, or job sites. This reel combines reach, safety, and organization into a highly dependable and space-saving power management solution. Now our second product is Black Plus Decker Retractable Extension Cord. The Black Plus Decker Retractable Extension Cord Reel offers a compact and highly practical power solution tailored for everyday home use. Featuring a 16 AWG cable, it's well-suited for powering small appliances and tools, while the inclusion of 4 grounded outlets and dual USB ports adds impressive versatility for modern devices. The built-in circuit breaker enhances safety by protecting against overloads, giving peace of mind during regular use. Its tangle-free retractable design with an easy rewind mechanism keeps spaces neat and clutter-free, making it ideal for apartments or smaller rooms where organization matters. The integrated on-off switch adds convenience and control, while the slim, portable design with a handle ensures easy storage and mobility. Overall, it strikes a great balance between functionality, safety, and convenience for light-duty applications. Our third product is Flexilla Retractable Extension Cord. This retractable extension cord reel delivers a well-balanced combination of durability, safety, and user-friendly design, making it a reliable choice for indoor power management. The oil-resistant 14/3 AWG stow cord performs impressively in various conditions, remaining flexible in low temperatures while resisting damage from oil, water, and sunlight. Its lighted triple-tap outlet provides convenient multi-device connectivity, while the built-in circuit breaker with reset functionality ensures protection against overloads and prevents blown fuses. The adjustable cord stopper and locking mechanism in 1-foot increments offer precise control, keeping the outlet within easy reach at all times. A swivel mounting bracket enhances usability by allowing smooth movement in any direction, and flexible wall or ceiling installation adds versatility. With solid safety ratings and dependable performance, this reel is a practical and efficient solution for organized, everyday indoor use. Now, number 4. Link 2 Home Retractable Extension Cord. This 25-foot extension cord reel offers a practical and efficient power management solution designed for both home and light workshop use. Its tangle-free winding system keeps the 16 AWG SJT cable neatly stored, ensuring quick setup and clutter-free organization after each use. Equipped with 4 grounded 120V outlets and a convenient on-OFF switch with a power indicator light, it allows multiple devices to run simultaneously with clear operational control. The built-in circuit breaker with overload protection enhances safety by automatically shutting off power when limits are exceeded, protecting connected devices from damage. Its compact design, combined with a unique 4-handle structure, makes it easy to carry and store, improving portability for use in garages, offices, backyards, or job sites. Overall, it delivers a balanced mix of convenience, safety, and durability for everyday electrical needs. And our last choice is Giraffe Tools Retractable Extension Cord. This retractable power cord reel is a robust and highly reliable solution designed for demanding industrial and workshop environments. Built with a heavy-duty polypropylene casing and commercial-grade 3C stow cable, it offers exceptional resistance to oil, water, acids, alkalis, ozone, and kinking, while maintaining flexibility even in extreme temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. The slow retraction technology and auto-guide system ensure smooth, tangle-free winding, while the ratcheting lock allows precise length control for safer and more convenient use. An adjustable cable stopper further protects the connector during retraction, enhancing long-term durability. Safety is reinforced through a built-in circuit breaker that automatically shuts off power during overloads or short circuits, with manual control for added flexibility. The 180 degrees swivel mounting bracket supports wall or ceiling installation, improving workspace organization. Combined with a lighted triple tap outlet, it delivers dependable, efficient, and safe power distribution for professional use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.